Hello my beautiful friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be cleaning my refrigerator. It's been a while since I cleaned it, so it's pretty gross in there. I wanted to also clean it because I am hosting a New Year's party in a few days, so I wanted to clean out everything and make room for some of the things that I'm going to need for the party. I have a lot of leftovers in my fridge that I definitely need to use up, so I have a lot of containers in there and I need to reduce all that. Anyways, let's begin. Just finished emptying the whole fridge. It is pretty gross in there. I will show you very closely. That's nasty. So now that everything is out, I'll be able to do a thorough cleaning with this. I'm gonna take out these shelves here and I will wash them in the sink in some hot soapy water.
Let me in, let me show it, all the things that we can become. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. Mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it, 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 I'm gonna revive it. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for always coming by and supporting me and my channel and helping me grow one subscriber at a time. I really appreciate you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. My goal for the end of the year was to reach 200 subscribers. I know to many that's like, oh my gosh, 200, it's nothing, but to me it's everything. As a matter of fact, I am over 200 and it's not even the end of December yet. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch my videos and subscribing and supporting me all around. I really appreciate it, and I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year. May 2020 be the year of many blessings, and I hope you guys really do truly stay blessed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.